scalp detoxing don't do nothing to the shine of your hair. All you get, I'd have to slow you down to kind of walk with you step by step. Scalp detoxing doesn't do anything to the shine of your hair. It does everything to your regrowth of your hair. That's what scalp detoxing does. And your buildup is going to change. It's never going to be the same because you're human. You're not a mannequin. You sweat, and sweating is something you can't control. I know there's a lot of controlling women in the world that want to control everything, but you can't control your sweating. It's not like eating. So some of us are sweating like 55 times a day. I got chain sweaters right here in my chair. They can't even get through a 2 hour session before they're dripping sweat. That's why I have all these fans and stuff in here to cater. So I'm proud of you, all you get, that I have inspired another woman to start caring for your scalp. I also, hold on. I got the scalp brushes for our scalps. They're only $4.99 on my link. My link is in the description, y'all. You can either have it shipped to your house or you can select curbside pickup here at Tanya Does Hair if you're here in Colorado with me. But I brought it. I found it. I researched it, went and got them, and now I'm ready to give them to you. Moving right along. Hi, Miss Williams. What businesses do you have besides your salon and hair products? Great question. So, in addition to my salon, well, my hair business is what I call it, which is Tanya Does Hair. Then I have my water beauty solution. Then my third business now is my training and education and my mentor and education department. So I've mentored multiple women over the years, and now I've structured it and regulated it because I realize how valuable my knowledge is. So I now, in the link in the description, you now can book a consultation with me. And in the consultation, Miss Penny is what I'm gonna call you, is finding out where your biggest struggle is. We don't got time to talk about your successes. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to help you with your struggles. So in the consultation, I get this from you. Do you need your most help in your personal life? Because some women need to understand you got to fix your personal life first before you run business. There's a lot of girls out here that got reckless personal lives, and you trying to run business and you think your business is going to what, be successful? That's not how this thing goes. So I took the time during COVID to get myself together. I lost my weight. I got my mind right. That's when I stopped drinking alcohol. And I did a lot of good for myself, did a lot of studying and reading. And I came out of COVID healthier than ever. I have not been to a doctor since. And that's why I run the kind of business that I run. I'm not dealing with a whole bunch of illnesses and fatigues that's got me running to the doctor all the time. So that's my primary businesses. Um, Thank you so much for asking. But it's Tanya Does Hair, the service business is what I've been running for 17 years. That's easy. New clients are not hard for me to get now. I know how to attract them. I know what to do. I know what to say. I know how to treat them. I know what they're looking for. I know what they're tired of. I know what they don't want no more. And I've learned to pivot and offer the alternative solutions for clients. So thank you, Miss Penny, for asking that question. I love questions like that. Can you like the live for me? It is hard getting YouTubers to like the live. Dang, y'all. It don't cost nothing to like the live. Or does it? Does it cost y'all to like the live? Like the live. Jeez, thank you, Miss Penny. Patricia, thanks for showing this. Oh, I'm going to show y'all the whole day today. I'm not going to stop production. I'm going to keep it moving. Ooh, another question. Can I have MOD? If you don't know what that is, it's someone who bans things like, let's say someone says something really bad. Oh, a moderator. I would love to have you as a moderator, Queen, since you are always on here with me and you just volunteered for the position. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to hire you. So give me a minute because I can add you right now as my moderator. Hold on, love. Community moderator. Hold on. Well, I just changed it to subscribers. So